Hello friend, this is your sachet packing machine. Now I will introduce this machine and tell you how to use this machine. First, when you receive this machine, you need to connect to your battery power. So you should put these wires, you should put this plug into the socket. And then you should connect to the air source. Here we have the air source. You need to connect to your air source to use the whole machine. When you finish the connect, you can see here is the main power. You can turn on this main power to use the machine. And then let's check the whole machine. Here is the hopper for you to fill the materials into the hopper, and then you can fill the materials inside the bag. And then this is for your sachet and bag. You can put this one into the machine. Later we will tell you how to change the mode. And then for this is the box we equip it to you. And what you need to adjust is from here. You can adjust the filling weight here, and you can adjust it. You lose it, and this will become larger. You can track here, and this will become smaller of the filling weight. And then when you finish the adjust, you should push this to lock it. And this is the start and stop button. If you finish all the parameter setting, you can push this to start the machine. And this is the emergency stop button. If anything occurs, you can push this stop button to stop the machine. And for this one is the left seal temperature and the right seal temperature. You can adjust the temperature from here. And for example, you need higher temperature, lower temperature. And this is the PLC screen. You can choose the language here, choose English, and then you can choose the auto pack to see the parameters. This is the total output and the finished output and the back length. Because the mode is setting, so you don't need to change the back length. And this is the pack speed, how fast you pack the materials inside to the sachet. And then this is the fixed output and the pull speed. You don't need to adjust. And then if you want the whole machine to smoothly run, you can open the cutter on. The cutter, it means that this part cutter you should turn on. And then for the code on, you should make sure that this code on function is working. And the fill on, it means that to fill the materials inside to the sachet. It means here that the materials fills in here. And then the bag taken on, it means that when you finish the cutter, the bag will come out from here. You should turn on it. And then what parameter you need to adjust is here. Go to the parameter. And then you may check the parameters from here. You don't need to adjust the parameters we have already set. And then the pack speed, if you want to change line 25, you can set here. Now we have already set the 30 to test. Go to return. Okay, let's check. Here is the monitoring parts you don't need to adjust. And this function you don't need to adjust too. And then for this is the menu control. You can see here is the menu control one. You can adjust the machine if you want to manually control. Okay, now we can test this machine. Push it. Okay, now our engineer will show you how to change the mold. Let this lever into the new mold. And then let the old mold comes out. Put the new mold inside the machine. Let the mold into the light triangle section. Pull the back. Use the menu pad to check the function. But you should make sure that not to damage yourself. Push the inch seal. But before you change the mold, you should turn off all these functions. Turn off all these functions. Okay, now our engineer has set the new sachet of this machine. So like this, we can test the machine. Push this start button. Make sure the speed is you need and then start.